can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, I'm taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. FOMO confirmed, BlackRock Bitcoin ETF clocks biggest trading days in 6 months. Bitcoin hit $73,600 as fundamentals suggest new all-time highs are programmed. In this video, take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin got to close to a new all-time high, just a wave to a new all-time high around $200 to a new all-time high. Right now, Bitcoin trades around $72,000. We saw Bitcoin dominance getting above 60%. It's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Liquidations are rising. The bears are getting liquidated. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? Let's get down to business. Bitcoin open interest nears $23 billion as analysts warns of BTC price euphoria. BTC price gains are boosting bullish sentiments, but the latest Bitcoin market analysis calls for a balanced perspective. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we have seen extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, and extreme greed has been what we've been waiting for. Extreme greed is always a good time to sell. Remember guys, if you have been buying extreme fear, if you have been buying when we're down in Goblin Town, now is the time to take some profit off the table. The last 24 hours has seen a renewed optimism return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is up 8.5% on a weekly time frame, up 10.1% on a monthly time frame. And over the course of the last 1 year, Bitcoin has seen a 109% increase in price. But guys, it's not all good news. It's not all happy dandy. There's a lot of trouble in paradise. Bitcoin about to set new all-time highs, but there's a lot of bearish divergence showing up in the charts on the 3-day time frame, on the 1 week time frame. We have been consolidating below Bitcoin previous all-time high. We sit around $73,900. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $73,700 yesterday. It feels as if a new all-time it's a foregone conclusion. It feels as if it's just a matter of time right now that Bitcoin will be pumping to new all-time highs. But guys, I don't think that's bullish. I don't think that's what we should be expecting. I think you should be protecting yourself against a downside drop in the price of Bitcoin. It might be very, very surprising to be hearing that now many people are expecting all-time highs. There's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. There's exact FOMO. We're seeing biggest volume for the ETFs, Bitcoin spot ETFs. BlackRock are seeing their biggest volume in over 6 months. Speculating frenzy among ETF buyers confirmed. Analysts suggest the FOMO is getting real. We are seeing huge volumes for those spot ETF. Bitcoin is on the brink of tapping a new all-time high. But guys, you have to ask yourself that $1 million question. What if Bitcoin doesn't get to new all-time highs? What if Bitcoin gets to new all-time highs and quickly reverses back and start dumping to Goblin Town? Because right now, we're seeing the altcoin market have some pumps. Right now, we're seeing some altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Yes, that's very good for the altcoin market, but guys, this just feels like a very, very big bull trap waiting to happen. This just feels like we've gone through distribution over the last 9 months, and right now Bitcoin is going for that uptrust after distribution. If we get above $73,000, I'll still be very, very careful because we might just see some liquidations. Yesterday, we saw huge liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. 2 traders were liquidated for more than $35 million. The liquidation was around $73,000. They were betting that the price of Bitcoin will go down. We saw the price of Bitcoin going up. Right now, the bears are having a very, very terrible time. The last 24 hours saw Bitcoin bears lose more than $100 million. I'll not be shocked if we continue that trend today, if we continue that trend in the coming future. Even though Bitcoin hit $73,600 and fundamentals are suggesting a new all-time high programmed, Bitcoin got within the $200 of a new all-time highs as several fundamentals point to a crypto bull market picking up. You want to be very, very careful, guys. And of course, after distribution always feels like the start of a new bull market. A bull trap feels like the start of a new bull market because market participants that have been waiting for breakout are finally going to jump in. Retail investors are going to be piling in at a very, very long time when smart traders are actually getting out of their position. Bitcoin price broke through sell walls, liquidating most short sellers. The long-standing wall of axe, the red triangle in the candlestick pattern at $65,000 was cleared. We saw Bitcoin clearing 65, 68. $69, $70, $71,000. Bitcoin even got to as high as $73,000, 600. And what happened when Bitcoin was rallying that hard was Bitcoin dominance also moved above 60%. Benjamin Cohen has been calling for Bitcoin dominance to rally to 60%. We saw that happening. We saw liquidity leaving the altcoin market, going back into Bitcoin. We saw open interest reaching a new all-time high. On the run-up to all-time highs, Bitcoin open interest hit a new all-time high at $43.6 billion. And guess what, guys? Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs, and we're not seeing the RSI also getting to new all-time highs. That is always trouble. That's a divergence. But traders are betting on Trump victory and a crypto-friendly president, and some other traders are betting on crypto going up to higher prices regardless of who wins, because the government will still have to print some money. If you want to see things very, very clear, guys, you have to zoom in a little bit. You have to go to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, you see that Bitcoin, yes, it's about to go to new all-time highs, but the RSI has not been able to replicate that strong move that we're seeing from Bitcoin. The RSI is still down in Goblin Town at a 61 ratio level. And if the RSI was pumping just like the price of Bitcoin was pumping, we should have seen the RSI head back to like the 90 region where it was in March. In March, things were crazy. There was extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. There was a lot of excitement, a lot of euphoria. But right now, they don't feel like there's euphoria in the market, even with extreme greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market. There's no that excitement that we expect. We're just seeing FOMO around the block. And guys, that's a very, very good sign of a bull trap. A bull trap always looks like a breakout. A lot of people are going to fall for it, and I believe that's what's happening now. Bitcoin open interest has reached as high as $23 billion. Everything is pointing towards the new all-time highs. Articles are saying Bitcoin has a clear route towards $100,000. For you saying Bitcoin is, for me to tell you guys that Bitcoin is dumping to Goblin Town looks like something out of a movie. But guys, the best time to actually sell is when Bitcoin is pumping to higher values. That's when you want to be taking some profits off the table, because at some point in time in the nearest future, we'll see a big dump to Goblin Town. Bitcoin passed to $80,000, fueled by bullish derivative trends. Bitcoin derivative markets are setting up for a potential BTC rally above $80,000 before the end of 2024, fueled by excitement over a potential Trump victory. US election anticipation is driving higher Bitcoin ETF inflows. I don't believe that, guys. Remember, you want to take some profits off the table. Nearly 98% of all Bitcoin holders are in profit. Right now, there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, bears are getting liquidated, guys. Right now, there's liquidity back in the market, and right now is the time to start activating your exit strategies. Very, very important, guys. Remember, we bought low. We bought it when the market was down. We bought when Bitcoin was in $58,000. The last few weeks has seen Bitcoin quickly rally from as low as $50,000. Right now, Bitcoin trades around around $72,000. That's around a 40% increase in the price of Bitcoin over the last 60 days. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance has gotten to as high as 60%. Right now, it's dumping below 60%. I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance over the coming days start going down to Goblin Town. I didn't expect Bitcoin dominance to go this high. I've been bearish on Bitcoin dominance for a very, very long time. I expected it to find difficulties rallying above the 58% region, but Bitcoin dominance has been strong, gearing to higher values. At the same time, Bitcoin dominance has been showing also that bearish divergence where the dominance has gotten to a new cycle high, but the RSI for the dominance has not gotten to a new cycle high. And all this is setting up for an epic alt season, and all this might eventually see Bitcoin not getting to that magical $80,000 market participants are waiting for. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on the price of Bitcoin? Bitcoin got to $200 near an all-time high. Do you think we're going to blast into new all-time highs? Do you think the top is in for Bitcoin? Are you selling your Bitcoin right now, or are you buying more, expecting us to see Bitcoin rally towards $100,000? October has been crazy. It has been a very, very nice month. October has been kind to us. Guys, drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.